Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log into Minion Rush with Facebook. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. If you want to connect Minion Rush with Facebook in order to track your game progress and compete with friends, then you will need to first open the Minion Rush application on your device. If you don't have the application yet, make sure you download it and launch it open. Now soon after you open up the app, you'll need to allow necessary permissions such as locations. You will need to accept to the terms and conditions and you will come across a short tutorial. After you complete the tutorial, you will then see this kind of an interface. From the main home page, tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner. Now tap on connectivity at the top of the screen and tap on login right next to Facebook and click on continue to end up on facebook.com website. Select your Facebook profile and then tap on continue. You will see this kind of an interface where you'll need to tap on login with the Facebook app option and tap on open. Tap on the login button right after you open up the Facebook app and then tap on the login with Facebook app option and then tap on open. You'll also need to enter your Facebook account's credentials if you're not already logged into Facebook with this particular device. And after you do so, tap on open and select your profile from the list. After choosing your Facebook profile, tap on continue once again and then you will be able to open up Minion's Rush. You have now successfully logged into Minion's Rush with Facebook. After you do so, you'll also receive some rewards for connecting Minion Rush to Facebook. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.